Hi guys, since we're going to be blogging pretty regularly this semester, and I hope that we will start pretty soon commenting on each other's blogs, I wanted to show you a way that you can keep up with each other's blogs a little bit easier than having to actually go to that Google Doc where they're all listed and click on each blog. This is a site that I use. It's Feedly.com. And it's a feed aggregator. So when you join Feedly and you add the blogs that you would like to read to it, it gets the feed from those blogs, and the new content comes to you in Feedly instead of you actually having to go out into each of those blog websites and read there. One of the reasons that I like Feedly so much is that you can actually log in to Feedly using your Google account. So I'm going to log into Feedly. And you can see that when I clicked login, it actually brings up Google accounts that I already have. If I wanted to log in with a different Google account, which I believe I will, I can just click add account. And I type in my Google email address and password. So once I have that information typed in, I can just click sign in. And then I'm going to accept that Feedly can view my email address and view the basic information about my account. And now I am logged in to Feedly. Now, in Feedly, you can look for blogs to follow in various categories. So if I'm interested in technology, I might take a look at the tech blogs, and maybe I do want to follow Lifehacker and TechCrunch and Mashable and some of those other ones. And if there are blogs that I want to follow, I can just click the little plus symbol, and maybe I'm going to put them in a category called technology, and just click add. So now all the content that Lifehacker adds will be added to my Feedly account, and you can see that when I hover over here under technology, Lifehacker has 10 unread articles for me to read. So you can add all kinds of blogs here, but what I actually am going to do is I'm going to click add content, and I'm going to put in the blog URLs that I want to follow. So to get those, I just go to our listing here of your blogs, and I'm just going to go ahead and choose the first one here, and I'm going to copy the link URL. I just right clicked on the URL, and then I choose copy the link URL. I go back over to Feedly and then paste in that URL, and it brings it right up, and I can click add. So I'm going to create a category called CTS 289, since this one is in the CTS 289 class, and click add. And now when I hover over here and I click on my Feedly, I have one blog added to CTS 289. So anytime a new post is made to this blog, it's automatically going to come to Feedly, and I can just click on it to read it. The nice thing about Feedly, other than it just comes to you, is that there are also Feedly apps for iOS and Android. So if you want to load Feedly onto your tablet or your phone, you can do that as well, and you can read and comment on blogs on the go. So Feedly is a super simple way to keep up with blog content without having to actually go to this Google Doc and click on each one and open each one to check and see if there are new posts there. So I hope you give Feedly a try.